Smart way to quickly update GST rates in Busy. Hello. Are you still updating GST rates for your items manually, one by one? Then stop worrying about manual work and let's see how you can quickly update GST rates in Busy with a smart process. This video is divided into two parts. Scenario 1. If 100% of your items have moved to a new tax slab. For example, all 28% items are now shifted to 18%. Let's see how to easily update this in Busy. First, let's open the item list. Here you can see that many items are in the 28% slab and some are in the 12% slab. If we want to shift all 28% items to 18%, simply open the item and modify the tax category. Shortcut, use Alt+M. On the tax category details screen, you'll find the change tax rate option. Enter the effective date and the new tax rate, then save. That's it, all your 28% items are now in the 18% slab. Similarly, if you want to move items from 12% to 5%, follow the same process to update them easily. Now let's add a transaction invoice. For this, select a date after the effective date, choose sale type and party. Then enter item details with quantity and rate. You'll see that the system has automatically applied the new GST rate. Scenario 2. If only partial items have shifted to a new tax rate. For example, some 18% items have moved to 5% while others remain at 18%. Let's see how to handle this case. Open the item list. Here, you can see that all items are currently in the 18% slab. But items under the Equipments group have now shifted from 18% to 5%. In this case, the first step is to create a new tax category. For this, go to Master Tax Category Add. Here, specify the name. Select type, goods or service, enter the old tax rate. In the change in tax rate section, enter the effective date and the new tax rate, then save. Next, we need to update this new tax category in the items. For this, go to Master, Bulk Updation, check or update item HSN or tax category. Here you can update tax category in bulk in the item master. You'll get three options: group of items, all items, or selected items. For now, let's select group, specify the group name, and click OK. Now, specify the new tax category. You can even copy Ctrl+C and paste Ctrl+V easily. Save it. Now in the item list, you'll see that all items have been updated with the new tax category successfully. Finally, let's add a transaction invoice to check. Select a date after the effective date, choose sale type and party, then enter item, quantity, and rate. You'll notice that the new GST rate has been automatically applied. In this way, you can quickly and accurately update GST rates in Busy without manual errors and without wasting extra time. Keep your billing and compliance hassle-free and always stay updated with Busy. For purchase, update, or any assistance, call the 24/7 helpline number given below. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.